Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset the service light over here on Renault Megane 3 and Renault Fluence. I believe they have the same menus. So firstly we have to start the ignition but not start the engine. So I'm going to stop the engine now. And we are going to push this button over here. My car is a manual one, so we are going to push this button, but don't press the brake pedal. Start the ignition, and after that we are going to use this button until we're going to find the service light. And then the next step is use one of these buttons and press and hold for 10 seconds until on the screen is going to appear the next interval for the oil change. So we're going to do this now. I'm going to press this button for 10 seconds. Oil change in 30,000 kilometers. Perfect. That's it. So this is how you are going to do this, and then stop the ignition, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.